There's something about big cities that make you feel alone, even when you're surrounded by people. I'm surrounded by canaries, a nickname given to us informers by the sheriff who pays us. Us little yellow birds don't seem to notice the loneliness that comes with the city. Maybe because we're naturally lonesome. All I know is canaries are good at singing, and better at making others sing along.
Rosny! You lied about the initiation, man.
No, they changed it on me, I swear! Ender, if they know about me and you, I need some protection, man. They'll kill me for this.
No information, no protection.
One of you told them. Listen, man, there's a traitor in the Canaries. Man, listen! Watch out for Mighty Trouse!
Rosne, a bandit turned friend. He was the only one I could trust information from. See, everyone's a traitor in the Canaries. That's why I needed Rosne.
What's a yellow bird like you doing around here?
Probably the same as yellow bird like you. Just lavishing myself in the best this city has to offer.
Tried that. All it got me was 2 life sentences and an infected tattoo.
So you're the Metatrouse I've been hearing so much about. You sold out Rosny.
Rosny was gonna sell me out. You would have done the same. But since I know you two are pals, I'll make it up to you. I know where the real initiation is tonight, the Yester House. You and me, we can catch them together. If you'd like.
You tip off the cops about the initiation. I get the reward. We're even.
The cops will be here soon, but in the meantime, we can catch these guys.
What, go over there? Are you crazy? We're informers.
Canaries can be hunters too.
No information, no protection.
So the cops aren't coming.
Of course not, Ender. Didn't you learn not to trust your life with another canary? It was all my information, and you got all the cash. And you're not even a good canary.
So this was all about the money.
This was about the information. I had it. I always did. And you, nothing. Not one shred of intel, yet you had the job I wanted. And this is how I'm gonna get it. Goodbye, little yellow bird.
The thing about canaries is that everyone's a traitor. I knew that, and yet, I let myself trust people. This city, these little yellow birds, they really do make you feel alone. I guess singing along was better than hiding it.